Get acquainted with the 2023 Toyota Camry. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 5,000 miles on the odometer. Here's an elegant, high-performing Camry that infuses every drive with confidence and distinctive style. It offers a host of standard-setting features, all backed by Toyota's excellent reputation for quality and reliability. From its suite of smart safety tech, to its spacious, luxurious interior, to its muscular power, to its chiseled lines, this sedan will exceed your expectations. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, sun, moonroof, lane keeping assist, backup camera, satellite radio, electronic stability control, heated front seat, Bluetooth connection, blind spot monitor, aluminum wheels. Why settle for anything less than excellence? This Camry has all the features you want and need. We'll toss you the keys and help you start an exciting new chapter in your driving story.